All right, so I started out with this chord progression. I was using this pluck in Serum. Just a simple progression, it just repeats over here. And then I just switched some of the notes around, nothing too complex. Then I got this bell in Xenology. So that's just the white notes on top. And then I've just got bell 13 over here. And I just put some processing on it just to give it like basically just for sound design. So I just giving it some saturation, EQ'd some of the muddiness out and gave it some more presence. And then I just put it through a delay. Then I scrapped this bell for this next section. So this synth is like kind of complex sounding. So I just kept the notes really simple. Then I made like a third section. I scrapped that bit again. And then I basically, I just like re-record the melody, throw it into a sampler, and then just like slice it up, like just chop it up. So this is what it sounds like. So I'm like panning automation on it. I make it sound more interesting. Then a delay, and it's just going through this plate reverb. And then this is another synth that I designed, and I just basically stole the chord progression, like the original MIDI, and I just used it to like layer over the top. Just adds a little bit of depth. Then I kind of went with some like Rip Squad sounding drums. I know that Joey in the past has worked with like Vinso, who has kind of this like Rip Squad sound. Just went with this like blade hi-hat kind of swing. All of these drum samples, by the way, are in my stash kit if you're after them. Then I just layered it with this percussion. I just got a Zaytoven 808. And that's just following the root note of the chords. So that's kind of like for the hook, it gets like a little more intense. But for sort of more like the verse sections, I just used the same MIDI, but I just muted some of the notes and made it like really simple with like a lot of space in it. So then we just got this open hat.